Hello, I'm super excited to show you what I got. I stopped Friday on my way home from school. In case you watched my Week in the Teacher Life, you know this is what I was wearing on Friday. So just a couple short, not even hours later, and I did it. I bought the iPad Pro and I'm super excited. It's the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 5th generation Wi-Fi 512 gigabytes. That's what it says on the back. And that is what I ordered. So I thought I would unbox it while we're sitting here together. What is this? Is this like a, it has a pull tab. Are you kidding me right now? Look at this. I don't even have to get scissors. Thank you, Apple. You're the best. Oh my gosh, it keeps going. Amazing. So today, I ordered it last weekend. When did we go to Best Buy, honey?
Last weekend.
Last weekend, yep. Thank you. And so I wanted the one with 512 because that's what the MacBook Pro that I have has. So I'm so excited. I'm such a nerd. I know. So anyway, I'm excited. I got the space gray. It was either that or silver. So there weren't like tons of options and they were both fine, but I just preferred the space gray. Oh, look at it. It's beautiful. I'm excited because here's the deal. Hold on, I just saw some. Okay, the deal is this. Now, it's so little. Oh, I mean, like comparatively, compared to the laptop. It's not little. It's the biggest, I think, iPad they make. But look, but wait, there's more. They just make it so it's dummy proof. And this dummy appreciates that. So this is super cool. I'm gonna pull all the tabs. I know I'm a geek and I am fine with that. But look at how pretty, because it's new. And look, no fingerprints yet. Just kidding. Okay, so I don't even want to throw this away because I think I'm just gonna keep it there. Okay, so I got that. Then, you know, if you're spending $1,300 on an iPad, yeah, it was expensive. You're gonna also get the Magic Keyboard, because why wouldn't I need this too? So this is a keyboard. It's very heavy. It's actually, I think it was the same or heavier. Now, it's maybe about the same as the actual iPad. This thing makes it, so it's kind of a cover, but it like is a magnetic where it's not gonna just like fall down. And it is a keypad. Did I say that already? I do believe I did. The Magic Keyboard. So does this have a fancy pull tab? Hold, please. It does. It does. Wait. Is it because it's Friday and I'm tired? Oh, that one tore. But wait, I'm fine. I'm fine. Because it comes off like this. Good. So far, so good. All right, let's see how this guy looks. I am gonna move the actual, also I'm gonna move the drink. It's a fine idea, I think. I'm gonna move the actual iPad over and we're gonna take a little peek at this guy, the Magic Keyboard. Magic, I like magic. Hi honey, I'm filming. He sees that. Okay, so the dogs have been leaving their toys on the stairs. I think they're trying to get rid of us. So all the squeaking you hear, that's the dogs playing on the stairs. Look at this, honey. Look, they have pull tabs. So I don't even have to think about a scissor. Oh, he heard me. The whole world heard me. I don't think they did, and that's not nice. Okay, so here it is. I got black. The other option was white, which is really not an option for me. Okay, and then I'm not sure what happens next. I don't want to break anything. Oh, wow. This is like super magnetic. This is a little thing that comes out. Oh, it could be directions. Yes, I think so. I'm really sorry that I'm a dork, but It's just something you're gonna have to live with. Anyway, this is cool, and I'm just gonna set that right there. This is what it looks like. And also, these aren't new. I know they've been around, but I've never owned an iPad. I've owned several tablets. Well, not several, a couple tablets, but never an iPad. And I didn't really even care until I got my MacBook Pro. And then I wanted one really bad because also it's stuck now. I wanted it really badly because I thought it would be cool to be able to go back and forth between the computer and the iPad. Okay, so look at this. Isn't that amazing? It's like a little laptop. But this one, I feel like I can take to school more easily. I've taken my MacBook to school when we were distance learning at the beginning of last school year. And the reason I took it is because my other computer was just, it's old. I still have it. It's just old, and I just wanted to be sure I had backup just in case. And the school computers that were issued the screens are so hard. And yes, I can enlarge it, but when you're trying to be in a meeting with kids and they're all on the screen, it didn't work out. So I used my own computer. Charger. Good, good, good. And then there's a cord. These are the technical names for what I'm looking at, I'm sure. So all the things that you need there. And I don't know. Oh, that was in the laptop box, yeah. Okay, and then the last super cool part is the Apple pencil. And look, another fun pull here tab works. I don't know why that is so snazzy to me, but it is, because I feel like that's the ultimate customer service there. Don't make me go get my kitchen scissors. I don't want to mess with that. So there it is. I do know something special about these pens, and that is, I'm talking to my husband right now, Monroe enjoys them quite a bit. Do you remember what happened when Lauren was over? Lauren, if you're watching, you remember what happened when you were over. My friend was working on her iPad here. Monroe was sitting here and lunged across the table and tried to eat her pencil, because apparently it looked like a worm. It did, huh? Like a big long white worm. Probably. Anyway, so I'll have to not probably have this out when Monroe is around. So here we go. Now there's another pull tab. Look at this. I'm gonna have the best weekend playing with this guy. So this video that I'm making right now will upload on Thursday, next Thursday, because my week in a teacher life will upload on Sunday. All kinds of directions that I'll read only if I can't figure it out without them. That's what we do. But look, oh, look at this. It's a pencil. There it is. I don't know even how this works, but I'm sure if I read them their directions, it'll tell me. See, there's even wrapping on the pencil. Wow, that is cool. Isn't that neat? I am so excited. So I wanted to unbox it with you because it only seemed fair. That was dumb, but it only seemed, fun to unbox it with everybody. Anyway, now I'm going to go and have a little playing party with this. What's really fun is it's like a TV and a book too. And it's I can write on it. Oh, and now I can use Procreate, which I don't have yet, but I'm gonna. And I can draw stuff. Well, I can't actually draw, but I can doodle. So I'm gonna doodle. Anyway, I will see you again soon. I'm excited. I'll show you if anything fun happens. Bye. We're recording using the brand new iPad, aren't we, Monroe? We are. And I don't know where this video is gonna go. I don't know. Will it store it on the iPad? Will it send it to Mommy's phone? Where will it go? What will we see? We don't know. We don't know such stuffs. Look at this attractive, beautiful girl. Oh my goodness. Are you showing off your beard a little bit? It's so pretty. Yeah, it's so pretty. She was acting a bit weird. Like she needed to get out and run around a little bit. Yeah. So we went and got her. And by we, I mean me. I went and got my baby. So she is just chilling out on a Friday. She had some bugs, she had some salad, she had some rest. That's about it. Where do I look on this thing? Like, do I look? I'm trying to like, I look like you. I look just like you, trying to figure this out. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off. Seriously, where do I look? Where's the little camera guy? I'm gonna look there and watch this back and see if I did it right. Okay, we'll see you later. Monroe, how are you? I just got my order from Scrapbookscom. I thought I would show what I got. These are super cute. Simple stories I've loved for a long time, even way back. Well, I don't know how far back they go, but I feel like I've used some of their stuff way back in the day. Love those. And then these, for whatever reason, came like this. Love those. A little bit of holiday. And this one is just some, the books. That's right, the books. Can't wait to use that one. And some rainbows and other cute things. And then in here, let me open this one. So here's what was in that other bag. This is Amy Tangerine. Love her stuff too. I just thought the numbers and the months were cool. Oh, this is so cute for Christmas. You see that? Is it focusing? I think so. We have polka dots, one of my favorites, and stars. Super cute. Love the colors. This one is gonna be great for some school pages. I'm also wanting to start a school stuff only journal. I should say schools and teachers pay teachers stuff only, because what I design for my kids, sometimes I sell on Teachers Pay Teachers. So here's another little star, super cute, kind of a confetti sort of, is that what it's called? And this one also is, oh yes, Doodlebug. I love Doodlebug design. And then last but not least, the rainbow. Echo Park, also a very big favorite of mine. Super, super cute. I guess it goes that away. Isn't that fun? Anyway, those are my newest acquisitions, and I'm gonna go put them in containers. I'm gonna get a start on my school/teachers pay teachers bullet journal for ideas that I come up with through the year. If you have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I'm just flipping through showing some of my pages that I made for my school/Teachers Pay Teachers idea book. I probably should have titled it 2022-23 since it will technically go into the beginning part of next year, but I'm not gonna worry about that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and come back again and watch another video. Goodbye.